What's up, my people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly and most welcome. Okay guys, so is your skin dull? Are you not pleased with the way your skin is looking? Do you want to actually wake up your skin, remove wrinkles, make your skin look younger? Well, this remedy is going to do that for you guys. Okay, it's going to wake up your skin, it's going to get rid of wrinkles, it's going to remove dark spots, and your skin is going to be beautiful. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, watch till the end. Alright, and please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Okay, drop your curious questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. Alright, let's go. Guys, so we're gonna be needing potato, guys. I have a potato that is not peeled, which is super duper too small, and I have some peeled and cut potato here. Alright, so for this potato I'm gonna be needing the starch, the whole of the potato, guys. That's what we're going to be needing. Alright, because it's going to help us in waking up the skin, like seriously. Okay, I'm gonna go boil it, so I'm gonna be peeling more to add to what I have here. So I'll go boil it, and I will be right. Alright guys, since we're gonna be needing the full starch, because you're gonna be waking up your skin, you have to boil the potato. So I'm gonna be boiling it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and after boiling it, then I'm going to transfer it into my bullet blender and pour in the water that I use in boiling it. Okay, so it can be blended very soft, and so it can be very friendly on your skin. Okay, so here is my boiled potato, and I'm gonna be needing 2 tablespoons of that. Then we're gonna be making use of petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline, and which is actually very ideal for the skin. Okay, I'm also going to be putting in half tablespoon of petroleum jelly into this. We're going to be putting a little bit of toothpaste, which is basically what we need, because it's going to help in waking up the skin, removing pimples, dark spots, and wrinkles. Then pressing in the toothpaste, just a little will go a long way. And we're going to be needing milk, guys. So if you have a powdered milk, okay, so you can as well use powdered milk for this. Like, you put in powdered milk and put in water. Basically that's what you're going to be needing. Or you use goat milk, it's still going to serve the purpose. Okay, and also we're going to be needing 1.5 tablespoon of milk. We're going to be needing banana. Alright, so we're going to be needing some cut of banana. So as it is right now, the banana peel is too ripe, so it's actually looking very black, and that's why I have to peel it off, eat some of it, and I'm going to be using some of it on my face. Alright, now banana is a great moisturizer, and it's going to like glow your skin really much. Now, to make this even better, I'm going to be mashing in the banana. Banana is super duper soft, so it's actually very easy to mash. Alright, So I'm done mashing, and now we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of that into this mix. We're going to mix in the petroleum jelly and everything in it. Oh my goodness, I love the fact that it is actually very friendly and very friendly, guys. So you have to mix and mash very well. Alright, so here is my treatment, and it looks really nice and it smells really good too. Right, so I just love to apply treatment using my hand, and you're going to just apply it and rub it all around like this very early in the morning. That will wake up your skin really well. Okay, so if you're actually like having a rough skin, like you're having problems, a lot of problems on your skin, you can actually use a toothbrush to brush this all off like this. Okay, like a toothbrush like this. Now if you're having problems at your nose, you dip it into the treatment and then you just use it to apply it there, and then scrub it. Okay, scrub it really well and scrub all of this place. Basically these are the places which I usually have problems sometimes. Okay, so those are the places I scrub. Now you have to scrub yours where you actually used to have experienced problems. Now after which you scrub, you have to immediately wash this off. All right, so I'm not going to waste any more time, and I'm just going to be washing it off with a cool water, very cooling. Now when you're done washing, man, you're going to be feeling like as if you have menthol on your face. Okay, and for this treatment, guys, you can actually use it 4 times in a day to wake up your skin, and it's just going to be so good, guys. Like, trust me, try. Now you can store it for just few days, just 3 days, and you make a new one when you want to apply it. So that's it, guys. Use that, scrub it all off, remove all of those white or black heads going on there, get rid of all of those problems, and have your skin looking glowing, soft, supple, smooth and polished. Okay, so if you love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram and drop your questions at my comment section. Drop your questions on my website, guys, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys, and